when you look at the target that the hepatitis elimination drive has, it aims to achieve a saving of 7 million lives. But the objective of this group would be to create that sense of enthusiasm and the will to act urgently across communities, but also most importantly in the polity. It is the political will and ultimately commitment of funding that kind of drive these programs. Companies such as the one that I represent, Zydus Lifesciences, are making innovation both affordable and accessible through diagnostics, through treatments, both oral and injectable treatments for hepatitis B, hepatitis C, as well as vaccines. The birth dose implementation of hepatitis B vaccine is indeed one of the most important, I would say, cornerstones of the elimination strategy. But then this message needs to go out of this room through each one of us becoming active voices in our own communities, in our own countries, and making sure that that the real burden of hepatitis is well understood. I strongly believe in the cause and would commit myself once again to furthering the cause, and I'm sure everyone present here, simply by their presence, demonstrate that. So once again, thank you so much, Dr. John, for including me, and thank you, Professor Harvey, for the amazing work you do.